my channel. This is Dealer from Dealer's Place. So what I've decided to do is a series of tutorials that are beginner friendly, to show you how to make your life easier in the mornings when it comes on to makeup. It doesn't have to be complicated in the morning. It does not have to take you half an hour to do your makeup. So I'm starting with my brows today. Now I do my brows every single morning before work, and I try to get them as natural as possible. So what I use for my brows, the first item that I have is my eyebrow pencil. Now I just bought this at a regular beauty supplies. I use an angled brush, and you're going to need an angled brush for cleaning up around the angled brushes. I actually bought at my regular beauty supply store, and it is from Clean Color. You'll also need a spoolie brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. Now some people, when they're doing their brows, or what you really learn most times when we're learning how to do brows, we learn that we should use a lighter concealer at the bottom and something, whether a foundation or concealer at the top, that is nearer to your complexion. What I do in the mornings to prevent since I'm not going to be wearing any other type of makeup for blending or whatever, and I'm usually in a rush, what I do to make it way easier on myself, now this is what I do. This is how I do my brows. I'm just recommending it to you. Is that I use a foundation that is the same complexion, the same color as my complexion. So I use, for now, Black Opal's foundation in the color Truly Topaz. So these are the 4 items that I use to achieve a natural looking eyebrows every morning. Now I've seen a lot of eyebrows out there that just don't look right. So I'm hoping that I can inspire somebody to try to get their brows as natural as mine look. If you would like to know how to get natural looking brows in the mornings, and it takes less than 5 minutes of your time, then continue to watch. So start with freshly groomed brows. Brush the brow hairs to make them neat. Then you're gonna start with your pencil, but don't start at the front of the brow, because we don't want the front part to be too sharp. That gives you a harsh look. Simply outline the top and the bottom of your brows, and then fill in any sparse areas. As you see, I have a lot of sparse areas, so I just simply fill it in with short strokes, light strokes with my brow. The brow should end in line with the tip of your nose, as you just saw me measure. There, I'm doing it again for you to see. And the inner brow should be right in line with your nose, and your arch should be in line with the middle of your eye. There, so you see that. So you continue to fill it in until you have no sparse areas left. Since I have very thin brows, I usually use very extremely light strokes at the front, just a little bit. Then I brush my brows again with my spoolie brush to give it a more natural look. Now I'm going to take my Black Opal foundation, and as you can see, I use it a lot. Yeah, so it's messy. Then I'm going to take the angled brush, and just a little bit on the tip of the brush. Then I'm going to start outlining my brow just to make it a little bit neater. And I start right at the front, and I work my way back just to make it neat, to clean it up so it is nice and neat, not too much, so that blending is not so hard in the end. So we just do that one more time. Do it a little brighter for the camera so you can see what I'm doing there. And then we're going to go on top, and we're going to basically do the same thing, but when you get to the end of the brow this time, you're going to try to make your tail part of your brow a little bit thinner. I like the tail part of my brow to be thin, so that's what I do. It's quite simple. This is taking me less than 5 minutes. It's so easy, so quick, and it looks so natural. Then I just use my fingers to blend out the excess foundation that's there, so I don't have a halo brow. I drag it down with my brush and up with my brush, and then I just use my fingers. See, it's not yet finished. I'm not yet finished blending, so I continue to blend until the foundation disappears into my skin. I use my spoolie brush to blend the front part of my brow into the back part of my brow to get rid of any harsh lines. It's so simple, guys. You should try this. It's so simple. It looks so natural. It's easy, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Okay. Now we're going to start with the other brow, and I'll finish that one. So there you have it. Quick, easy, simple, easy as cheese, so hassle-free and inexpensive. Like button to keep me going. Share this with your neighbors, friends and family as well. And as usual, thank you for watching. Bye bye.